And I must say it was very impressive. We spoke to many people. We spoke to the council. We spoke to the people from Best for Kids. We spoke to the sectoral dialogue. We spoke to the people from social affairs here on the island. And I must say, I see a lot of energy to all of you to solve problems that you need. But I am aware that we have to contribute also. And it's not only on the income side, but also on the cost side. And I had a good insight in this visit what the problems are. And that is also what you just mentioned. It's so important to see it with your own eyes. It wasn't my first visit here. I was here 3 years before the pre-COVID period. But I do know that the problems are big and that we have to take steps. That was what we discussed also during the visit with all the stakeholders. And well, I'm happy to announce first of all that we can start a pilot also for the people with special needs to make sure that there is a sheltered workplace for them, so that they can also get the opportunity to work and to get a chance also to show what they can do, what their talents are. We will also start with educating people also to help fight poverty issues, but mainly also the people with debts, to help them. And I am aware that we have to do we have to take steps onto increasing the social benefit